Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to do listen and repeat practice with two English vowels that often cause confusion. The back high vowels, oo and Both vowels are rounded, so your lips should form a round shape when pronouncing them. However, there are key differences. Oo is a tense vowel, where the lips are more rounded, the tongue is higher and tighter, and the vowel is usually longer. Is a lax vowel, where the lips are slightly rounded, the tongue is raised toward the back of the mouth, and the vowel is shorter in duration. These differences are important for distinguishing words that look similar but sound very different, such as pull and pool. The L in both pull and pool is what we call a dark L sound. Dark L occurs when L comes after a vowel in a syllable or at the end of a word. For example, words like ball, milk, and full all have a dark L. So how do we make this sound? First, place the tip of your tongue lightly against the alveolar ridge, just as you would for a normal L, often called light L. At the same time, raise the back of your tongue toward the soft palate. The result is that the L has a schwa-like quality. It feels almost as if you are saying, ooh. The sound comes more from the back of the mouth, giving it that darker, heavier quality compared to the clear L, which you hear at the start of words like light or love. Try it yourself. Say, ooh, and feel how the tongue pulls back, creating that darker resonance.
The only difference between pull and pool is the vowel sound.
Let's begin with the first word, pull. The vowel in this word is It's a short sound, like the vowel you hear in book or put. To make this sound, your lips should be only slightly rounded, your tongue raised toward the back of your mouth, and the sound itself kept short in duration. Pull. Other common words with this vowel include good, foot, and could. Now compare that with the word pool. Here, the vowel is oo. This is a longer sound, like the vowel in food or school. To produce it, round your lips more tightly, raise your tongue higher toward the back of the mouth, and hold the sound a little longer than you did for pull. Other examples with this vowel are blue, soon, and move. So while both vowels are rounded, the key difference is that in pull is shorter and less tense, and oo in pool is a longer, tenser, and more rounded. These words, pull and pool, form what we call minimal pairs. Two words that differ by only one sound. Mastering minimal pairs like these will train your ear to notice small but important differences. And it will help you pronounce English words much more accurately. These are more minimal pairs of oo and
Fool, full. Luke, look. Pool, pull. Could, could. Should. Stood, stood. Would, would. Bull, bull. Cook, cook. Suit, soot. Hood, hood. These are sentences with the sound. The wolf could be full. The bull pushed the butcher into the bush. Don't pull or push the woman. The bully took the sugar and put it in the pudding. The butcher would cook the wolf for the woman.
These words have the lax sound. Wolf, could, full, bull, pushed, butcher, bush, pull, push, woman, bully, took, sugar, put, pudding, butcher, wood, cook, wolf, woman.
These are sentences with the oo sound. We packed the suitcase with fruit juice for the cruise. The two groups choose moviegoers and crew members. They approved watching the moon in the school swimming pool. The bruise is blue. You should remove the tomb and the two shoes from the room.
These words have the tense oo sound. Suitcase, fruit, juice, cruise, two, groups, choose, moviegoers, crew, approved, moon, school, pool, bruise, blue, you, remove, tomb, two, shoes, room.
These sentences have both and oo sounds. I brewed coffee and cooked tofu. You should look at the big blue moon. Luke wooed the good-looking woman. The fool kook wore a suit in the soot. The foot looks good even though it has a blue bruise.
In the first sentence, I brewed coffee and cooked tofu, you can hear a clear, tense oo sound in brewed and tofu. They stretch out smoothly, while cooked has the shorter, looser oo vowel. When we move to you should look at the big blue moon, the long oo sound appears in you, blue, and moon, while should and look both use the softer oo sound. In Luke wooed the good-looking woman, both Luke and wooed carry the tense oo sound, but it shifts quickly for good, looking, and woman, which all contain the lax The fourth sentence, the fool kook wore a suit in the soot, gives us a playful mix. Fool, kook, and suit are stretched with oo, but soot is shorter and rounded with Finally, in the foot looks good, even though it has a blue bruise, words like blue and bruise are tense oo, while foot, looks, and good all share the relaxed
For the TOEFL Speaking, Listen, and Repeat task, pronunciation is critical. Improving pronunciation is just like learning to dance. Theory alone isn't enough. You need muscle memory, the ability to move your lips, jaw, and tongue into the right position without even thinking. That's what makes fluent, confident English possible. It takes practice, time, and the right guidance. With Dr. Burns' English pronunciation course, you'll learn how to train your speech muscles, improve your fluency, and master the rhythm and sounds of English step by step. Prepare with confidence for the TOEFL speaking section and beyond. Full details at www.nenhiburns.com.